Hey guys, Vikas here. So you're trying to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone and you hit this frustrating message. Could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used to create too many Apple IDs and it's super annoying, especially if it's happening on a brand new phone. So in this video, I'll quickly explain why this happens and then walk you through the fixes. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, why does this happen? So here's the deal. Apple actually limits how many Apple IDs you can create on a single device. It's basically an anti-spam and security measure. And once you've made too many in a short period, the device gets temporarily blocked from creating any more. That's the whole reason behind this error. Alright, so let's go through the fixes. Method 1, and honestly the easiest one. Just wait it out, because this block is usually temporary. Apple resets it after some time, often after a few days, sometimes up to a couple weeks. So during that time, don't keep trying to create new IDs over and over because every attempt can actually reset the timer and make the block last longer. So just give it a break and try again later. Method 2. Create the Apple ID on a different device instead. And this one works really well. So instead of using this iPhone, try creating the account on another iPhone, an iPad, or even a computer. So on a computer, just open any browser, go to account.apple.com and click Create your Apple ID. Then follow the steps there, and once your new Apple ID is created that way, you can just sign into it on your iPhone. No need to create it on the phone at all. This bypasses the whole too many IDs block completely. Method 3. Switch your network. Now this is a quick one people overlook. So Apple also tracks how many accounts get created from one internet connection. So if you are on Wi-Fi, switch over to your mobile data instead or connect to a totally different Wi-Fi network and then try again, because sometimes it's not even your device that's blocked, it's your network, so switching it can get you right through. Method 4. Restart your iPhone. Simple, but it clears out temporary glitches. Power it off, wait about 10 seconds, turn it back on and try creating the ID again. Now here's an honest tip. Before you create a brand new Apple ID, ask yourself if you actually need one, because Apple recommends just using one Apple ID for everything. And keep in mind, you can't move your purchases or a lot of your data from an old ID to a new one. So if you've just forgotten your old password, it's usually way better to recover that account instead at iforgot.apple.com. But if you genuinely need a new one and you're completely stuck, your best bet is to contact Apple support directly. They can actually reset the limit on your device for you. So real quick to recap, if you get too many Apple IDs created on this iPhone, first just wait it out and stop retrying. Then try creating the ID on a different device or on account.apple.com from a browser. Switch your network, restart your phone. And if nothing works, contact Apple support to reset it. So I hope this helped you get your new Apple ID created. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. And I'll catch you guys in the next one here on Vakas Tech.